I enjoy the job. I enjoy what I do.
Since Ray Valdes was elected as Seminole County tax collector in 1988, these public documents show at least 2 complaints filed with the Florida Commission on Ethics that have accused him and his family of profiting thousands of dollars from buying and selling more than 100 properties, the majority of which were acquired at his county's public tax deed auctions.
It's total nonsense.
While other counties like Orange and Brevard prohibit employees and their family members from bidding at these auctions.
Be grounds for termination.
That's not the case in Seminole County. So when state officials investigated, this public report shows they found no wrongdoing, meaning Valdes could legally purchase tax deeds regardless of his political position.
I do participate in, and so do some of the businesses that I represent.
Now there are new accusations surrounding his financial disclosure forms being made by his opponent, Joel Greenberg.
You don't use your position that you were elected to represent and to oversee to get rich. You don't profit off it. It just doesn't look good.
The Florida Department of Law Enforcement confirms they are reviewing a complaint to determine if there is a criminal predicate, but they would not release the actual complaint.
There is nothing to investigate.
According to Seminole County records, Valdes and his real estate investment companies currently own more than 100 properties. These records further show all but his personal home were purchased at a deep discount from tax deed sales, or his companies acquired them from his family members who purchased them at auction.
Oh, I sell some from time to time, sure.
We confirmed at least 7 sales through the clerk of court's office, and 1 transaction where Valdes transferred 85 properties between 2 companies that he either owns or has a stake in. However, those property sales were not reported on his financial disclosure forms, which, according to state documents, should be listed as income.
My total income is reported on my financial statement. There is no doubt about it. It would match up with my IRS return.
Valdes's net worth has jumped from $187,000 in 1988 to $2.7 million in 2015. However, the only income reported on his financial disclosure forms is his salary. Last year, he made $144,850.
I have nothing to hide.
Yet in 1989, his first full year in office, this public financial disclosure form shows he did list his company, Bravados Enterprises, as a source of income, but hasn't since then. When I asked Valdes about property sales from a second company that uses his name and home address, Conservation Enterprises Trust, LLC, he did not want to continue.
I think we should stop. I think we need to stop. This is enough.
Valdes then walked away from the interview. But it wasn't on any of your financial disclosure forms.
It is on the financial
Not for income.
I don't have any income.
But you just said you sold properties.
Come on, lady. Outside, please.
With that, Valdes went into his office and closed the door. In Seminole County, Amanda McKenzie, News 13.